This is the elevator at Sigma. I think this is a robotics place in Southside Flats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with Aurora. Installed by Marshall, of course. For some weird reason, the keys and fire signs over there at the stairwell door. Last time I was here, it was locked. I think it's unlocked at least some floors this time. Door's kind of noisy and slow. Basement? The basement actually works. Interesting. Here, go down. And last time I was here, every single floor was locked, so I couldn't ride the elevator. I think it was during an earlier stage of COVID, so it might have been everyone's working remote at that time. I think this only goes to a single office, Sigma robotics. Like I said, here's the basement, which is just storage. I don't even know why this is open. Go 3. Yeah, Carter's green this time. Last time I think it was red. Here you go. It is around 5 o'clock, so it could lock soon. I think everyone's leaving for the day. This might have placed like an old freight, but I'm not 100% sure. Here at 3. Goes right to the reception, but there's no one there, luckily. There's like people in the office. Go back down to 1. The basic taller elevator. Halogen or NCAN lights, little lights. You're back at 1. Guess the card readers for the whole, for all the floors. Well, basement 2, 3, not just for some floors or something like that. Otherwise, the basement would probably be locked. Stairwell's locked. Close enough to do that. Maybe this didn't replace something, I don't know. Red door.